सेक्रेटरी साहब तालीम तालीमी ज़ादात का ऐलान।
Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dearest beloved Hazur, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. This year, Hazur, for the Talim Awards, we had received 239 applications, of which 99 were approved for Lajna and 60 for men. All details will inshallah be published in various publications, and awards will be given at a later date. The 20 male students' names I will read now are for the students that achieved the criteria for GCSEs. Hashim Khan from Solihull Jamaat, Afroz Ataul Hadi Sidhu Sahib from Wimbledon Park, Naveed Rehman from Ash Jamaat, Hashim Mehmood Baitul Fatu East, Lamat Ahmed Mirza from Carl Shorten, Mohammed Arham from Dudley, Faris Ahmed Naseem from Purley Jamaat, Atif Khan from Putney Heath, Arham Ahmed Mirza from Walsall Jamaat, Ziyan Nawaz from Bansid Jamaat, Waris Ahmed, Malden South, Sohaib Malik from Reading, Rohan Mirza, Cardiff Jamaat, Abiz Zafar from Peterborough, Ahmed Jalis from Newcastle, Christian Gibran Idris Saib from Aldershot South, Nibras Ahmed Sadat from Cardiff, Azlan Asim Salim from Leeds, Shian Said Jawad, Burton upon Trent, and Nasir Odisab from Lower Malden. The next 14 names are for students that achieve the criteria for A-levels. Nafis Adan from Mitcham Jamaat, Ataul Khan, Barking and Dagenham, Jazir Mirza from Gillingham Jamaat, Sadid Amin Anjum from Baitul Fatu East, Azan Said Shah, West Croydon, Danial Ahmed Alvi from Bolton Jamaat, Kashif Muaz Khan, Putney Heath, Omer Sherwani from Scunthorpe Jamaat, Masroor Latif from Solihull, Jamshed Jaja from Fazal Mosque, Fariz Malik from Edinburgh, Zafir Ahmed, Guildford, Sabahat Aman Ahmed from Burton upon Trent, Hassan Rehman from Bromley and Lewisham. The next 24 names are for students that met the minimum criteria for degrees and postgraduates. Abrar Ahmed from Farnborough, Raja Shehran Ahmed from Leeds, Zamrez Ali Shahzad Ahmed from Walsall Jamaat, Bilal Ahmed Khan from Slough, Samir Ahmed Qureshi from Solihull, Amir Kamaruddin Abbasi from Merton Park, Aris Said from Baitul Fatu South, Sabi Abdul from Selzen, Ramesh Shabazz from Richmond Park, Dr. Irfan Jalis Mohammed, Scunthorpe, Sadid Ahmed Abid from Balham, Danial Ahmed Palhay from Slough, Gibran Ahmed Raja from Greenford Jamaat, Muhammad Masood Luton, Sajil Ahmed Baitul Ihsan, Osama Muzaffar, Birmingham West, Ibrahim Kwaku Opong from Hartlepool, Hashir Ahmed Rana Fazal Mosque, Zaid Ahmed Asif Guildford, Jalis Ahmed Bromley and Lewisham, Dr. Ali Shabab from Cardiff Jamaat, Dr. Aga Osama Hassan from Baitul Ihsan, Dr. Akib Ahmed from Manchester North, Dr. Fazlur Rahman from Deer Park. And finally, Hazur, the two students that achieved their degrees from another country but reside in the UK are Dr. Salman Mustafa from Cambridge and Tabib Ullah Sahib from Glasgow South. That concludes the Talim Awards announcement for 2026. Jazakallah Hazur.